Hi guys, Mike Guess here with 39links.com, and I have an important message to get out there. Guys, we need to stop obsessing about speed metrics and SEO scores. I'm seeing this constantly in forums and also coming up from questions from folks who are on the chat at 39 Links. And at a certain point, it's just good enough. Be worried about clearing out the errors and maybe trying to hit around a 90 score in SEO and Rush is fine. And, that's not always very easy on a site if it has thousands of URLs. So keep in mind, these SEO tools and metrics, a lot of times they're kind of relative. And if you can't, clear the error for your JavaScript loading from your chatbot, I think you'll be okay, especially if your website's already loading under a second or 2 seconds. It's okay to let some of those things slide. Now, speed scores are great, and if you have dev skills and you can knock it out of the park, by all means, go ahead. But if you're about to fire someone over shaving off 2% on the speed score just to kind of please a metric within a tool, you've lost the plot, especially if there's a self-hosted video on that page. You may have a Wix site, and it's no one's fault but yours and Wix, and, well, Avishai Abrahami, because he made Wix. Odds are you are still better than 80% of the web. And slow sites are all over the top of search. It's difficult to keep large sites loading quickly 100% of the time. And Google understands this. So while the speed metric plays into the algorithm, it's not the only factor. The point is, it's all relative. The tools measure what they think Google is considering and weighing, and they're likely pretty close, but we don't really know. Going from an 80 to a 90 on an SEM Rush audit tool likely won't make your website come soaring into the search results. Getting to 100 on a speed score is not where you should be focusing all of your efforts. Now, there may be some more important places to focus, like content, backlinks, content, and backlinks. So once it's good enough, move on. Get back into creating content and backlinks, and you'll really start to see your SEO move forward.